I recognize that I am so aware in this moment, breathing deeper, resting into this precious moment, as so many moments have gone before, and so many are lined up for me to enjoy. I know that right here, right now, where I am, is my point of power. And I am so full of strength and power in this moment. I know I have come so far to get here, and I'm proud of myself for arriving in this present, peaceful place. And I'm so proud of myself for uplifting myself to an even higher level of consciousness through awareness, even now. In fact, I'm so proud of myself that I feel an immense rush of love for myself rising in my body. I know that my body feels relaxed. I feel safe here with myself in this quiet space. I recognize that in this place there is safety. It's safe for me to love myself. I can feel my body resting into this truth. I can feel my breath deepening. I'm able to really soak in what it feels like to love myself fully. Every piece of myself now has love poured all over it. There's endless love within me. I have an overflowing capability to love. And there are so many things that I pour my love into. And so now I choose to take a moment for myself, to pour love into me. For I know that as I fill myself up with love, I'm so much more capable of loving deeply everything else around me. I know that this wonderful safe place where I can meet with myself always exists. That at any time I can slow down and show myself love by simply breathing. Perhaps I even place my hand over my heart, like a little nudge, a little hug, to say, I love you. Any time of the day, I'm often reminded of a safe place in my mind, a safe place of love. And I know that as I feel safety, that I also feel powerful. And I feel in control of my internal world. I feel like I have control, and that all of my power rushes back to me, for I know that I am the source of power, the source of love, the kind of power that is kind, compassionate, and so true. For I am true to myself, and I love myself deeply. I am confident. It's so safe for me to feel confident, because then I show up as my true self. I am confident. I have such wonderful self-esteem. My whole body is filled with a cleansing love for myself, knowing that every muscle and every cell is filled with this love and relaxes into this harmonious truth of who I truly am. And who I truly am is magnificent. I am a genius. I am full of clarity, guidance, peace. I see myself in my mind's eye as such a wonderful being of light and beauty. I can see that my energy extends beyond my body and touches all those around me. We have a harmonious collaboration, causing immense power to move. I know that my body is relaxed and safe, and that it's safe for me to see myself as the most awesome, amazing version that I could possibly imagine. For as I imagine, the truth of that imagination rises and dawns in my life. For the more amazing that I can see myself, the more amazing I turn out to be. And so every day I see myself with the deepest love, with the highest strength and resilience. I know I am strong. I am resilient. I am powerfully and fully my true self. This feels comfortable and safe. It feels good to be myself. That's why every day I always set aside the time and space, even now, to connect with this true self, with this self that feels alive and feels free and feels in tune and in touch with that highest potential of goodness, truth, and love. and I know that it is so. I feel a deep sense of knowing, being sure of who I am, being clear of who I am, and being proud of who I am. Every day, I find so many moments throughout my day to say, I am doing this for me. This is for me. I am showing up for myself, taking care of myself, because I matter. My existence is so meaningful. I know that my purpose is clear, and I know that I am showing up to fulfill my divinely inspired role in this life by simply listening and following out the intuitive nudges. And so now, remembering to breathe, remembering to have awareness around any thoughts, any feelings, simply to allow them to be with awareness, pouring love into all things that arise in my life, into all behaviors that I exhibit, showing love and understanding. Daily uplifting myself, moment by moment, feeling the truth of who I am, feeling like myself. Isn't it wonderful how I feel like myself? Isn't it wonderful the peace I can find when I know my true essence? I am in tune and in the flow with such existence. And I accept myself because I know that I am acceptable just the way that I am. My true personality is lovable, acceptable. I am so loved. And every area of my life shows the abundance of my confidence and self-esteem. Every area of my life is up-leveling and growing and strengthening. And I show up for this because I love it. I love to watch myself appear just as I imagined I would. And isn't it so fulfilling and so satisfying to be me and to feel like myself, to really feel in tune with who I know I am. And I am so thankful that it is so.